When you are asked to expand something like this, you see a plus b all squared can be written as x plus b times a plus b. So I have doubled it. So in a similar way, x squared is the same as x times x. Okay. Now let's observe the given expression. Even though we have three terms, it won't change anything. So solution. Now what I will do here is to repeat this one. 2x squared minus x plus 3. So I'll repeat the same thing. 2x squared minus x plus 3. Now this one will take everything. So 2x 2 2x squared will take everything. 2x squared minus x plus 3, and minus x will go ahead and take everything. Okay, and plus 3 will also take everything. Okay, so from here we can multiply them. So don't forget 2 times 2 is 4. Then x squared times x squared, add the powers, x to the power 4. Now we go again. 2x squared times minus x, so minus, the coefficient is 1, so 1 times 2 is 2. The power here is 1. Then x squared, that will be x cubed. 2x squared times 3, that will be 6x squared. So we are now with the first bracket. Let's move on. Minus x times 2x squared will be, so we have the power here as 1, so minus 2x cubed. So minus minus is plus, x squared, then minus again, so that will be minus 3x plus, so 6x squared minus 3x, so this one times that, and this one again is times 9 times 3, that will be 9. Okay, so let's see if we can, group like terms. So we have 4x to the power 4. So only 1, okay. Then we have this and that. Then we have this and that. So 4x to the power 4, okay. And minus 2, that will be minus 4x cubed. So squared, 6x squared, 7x squared. So plus 6 will be 13x squared. So 13x squared, okay. And we are going to x minus 3, that is minus 6. Okay, I think that's all. So minus 6 plus 9, minus 6x plus 9. So this is the final answer. All right.